What if you could take a high-speed food tour of the entire planet? Well, get ready. We've picked the single most iconic, can't-miss dish from 6 legendary food cities. This is your ultimate guide to the planet's most delicious food. All in under a minute per dish. Forget what you think you know. We're about to take you on a journey where every plate tells a story about history, flavor, and culture. A single dish can tell you more about a country than a history book. From the buzzing streets of Naples to the serene landscapes of Morocco. This isn't just a list of famous foods. It's a curated collection of masterpieces, each with a rich past and a vibrant present. So, prepare your senses. We're moving fast, but every detail counts. Number 1. Italy. Neapolitan pizza. First up, we land in Naples, Italy, the undisputed birthplace of pizza. But this isn't just any pizza. This is Pizza Napolitana, an art form so revered it's protected by UNESCO as part of our intangible cultural heritage. Its story starts on the streets in the 18th century as a cheap, quick meal for the city's working poor. Flatbreads were nothing new, but when tomatoes arrived from the Americas, everything changed. The legend goes, and it's a great story, even if it is a little romanticized, that in 1889, a pizza maker named Raphael Esposito was asked to create a dish for Queen Margherita of Savoy. He made a pizza with the colors of the new Italian flag: red tomatoes, white mozzarella, and green basil. The Queen loved it. The Pizza Margherita was born, and a peasant dish got a royal seal of approval. But you can't just call any pizza Neapolitan. Oh no. A special association, the AVPN, has a rule book that's basically sacred scripture. The dough is just 4 ingredients: flour, water, salt, and yeast, and must be stretched by hand to create that iconic puffy crust, the cornicione. It's topped with specific San Marzano tomatoes and creamy mozzarella, then blasted in a wood-fired oven at a blistering 905 degrees Fahrenheit for no more than 90 seconds. The result is a soft, fragrant, and foldable pizza that's more than food. It's a way of life. Number 2. Japan. Tonkotsu ramen. From Italy, we're rocketing to the island of Kyushu in southern Japan, home to our next icon, Tonkotsu ramen. While ramen has Chinese roots, the tonkotsu style, with its ridiculously rich and creamy pork broth, is a Fukuoka specialty. And don't you dare call it just soup. This is a masterpiece of patience and perfection. The soul of tonkotsu is the broth. The name literally means pork bone, and they mean it. Pork bones are boiled at a furious, rolling boil for hours, sometimes even for days. This intense process breaks down the fat, marrow, and collagen, emulsifying it all into a cloudy, milky, and deeply savory liquid that's packed with umami. The noodles have to be just as good. They get their springy texture from kansui, an alkaline water that helps them stand up to that rich broth without getting soggy. Then come the toppings. Tender slices of braised pork belly called chashu, a perfect soft-boiled marinated egg, crisp bamboo shoots, and fresh scallions. Each bowl is a work of art, a soul-warming dish that has taken the world by storm. Number 3. Mexico. Tacos al pastor. Now, let's head to the vibrant streets of Mexico City, where the air is filled with the incredible aroma of tacos al pastor. This dish is a perfect example of culinary fusion, a story of migration and creativity that has become the symbol of Mexican street food. Believe it or not, the story starts in the Middle East. In the early 20th century, Lebanese immigrants brought their tradition of spit-roasting meat for shawarma to Mexico. Their Mexican-born children adapted the technique, swapping lamb for pork and replacing the flatbread with small corn tortillas. A legend was born. The heart of the dish is the trompo, Spanish for spinning top, a large vertical rotisserie where marinated pork is stacked. That marinade, a mix of dried chilies, spices, and achiote, gives the meat its signature red color. As the trompo spins, the outer layer of pork gets crispy and caramelized. With expert skill, the taquero shaves off thin slices right onto a warm tortilla. The final touch? A slice of pineapple, often flicked right off the top of the trompo. Sweet, savory, and spicy. It's a flavor explosion in your hand. Number 4. Peru. Ceviche. Time for a cool down. We're on the Pacific coast of Peru for a dish that's as bright and refreshing as a sea breeze. Ceviche. In Peru, ceviche isn't just a dish. It's a national treasure, officially declared part of the country's cultural heritage. Its history goes back almost 2,000 years, but the version we know today came from a blend of local traditions and the ingredients brought by Spanish colonists. Most importantly, limes. The genius of ceviche is its simplicity. The fish is cooked without any heat at all. Chunks of fresh raw sea bass are marinated in lime juice, and the citric acid works its magic, turning the fish firm and opaque. That zesty marinade is known as leche de tigre, or tiger's milk. It's a punchy mix of lime juice, fish drippings, red onion, fiery ají chili, and cilantro. It's so beloved, people drink it straight as a restorative appetizer and rumored hangover cure. Served with creamy sweet potato and big kernels of Peruvian corn, ceviche is a clean, exhilarating, and pure taste of the sea. Number 5. Lebanon. Kibbeh. Next, we journey to the heart of the Levant, to Lebanon, for a dish that is the definition of hospitality, kibbeh. Considered a national dish in Lebanon and Syria, the name comes from the Arabic word for ball. But it's so much more. Its origins are ancient, likely starting with nomadic tribes who pounded meat with bulgur wheat to preserve it on long journeys. At its core, kibbeh is a mix of very lean minced meat, like lamb or beef, fine bulgur wheat, and a fragrant blend of spices. This is pounded into a smooth paste that serves as an outer shell. The most famous version is the fried, torpedo-shaped kibbeh, stuffed with cooked minced meat, onions, and toasted pine nuts, then deep-fried to crunchy perfection. But the variations are endless. There's a baked version, another simmered in a warm garlicky yogurt sauce, and for special occasions, kibbeh naye, a raw version similar to steak tartare, served with mint and olive oil. It's a true sign of honor for a guest. Whether fried, baked, or raw, kibbeh is a dish made to be shared. Number 6. Morocco. Tagine. Our final destination is Morocco, a land of vibrant markets and fragrant spices, to experience a dish that is the country itself, the tagine. The word tagine cleverly refers to two things: the succulent, slow-cooked stew, and the unique earthenware pot it's cooked in. This iconic pot, with its wide base and cone-shaped lid, is a piece of genius rooted in North African Berber culture. As the stew simmers, steam rises into the cool cone, condenses, and then drips right back down into the dish. It's a self-basting system that keeps everything incredibly moist and tender with minimal water, a brilliant adaptation for an arid climate. Tagine cooking is all about patience and layering flavors, often balancing sweet and savory. Think chicken with preserved lemons and olives, or lamb with sweet apricots and prunes, all seasoned with complex spices like cumin, turmeric, and ras el hanout. More than just a meal, the tagine is an event. The pot is brought right to the table, and everyone gathers around, using crusty bread to scoop up the stew. It's a dish that fosters connection, making it the centerpiece of Moroccan life. From an Italian oven to a Moroccan table, we've tasted 6 dishes that define their nations. Each plate tells a story of history, artistry, and the joy of sharing a meal. But of course, this is just a glimpse into the vast, delicious world of food. Now, it's your turn. What is the one dish you believe everyone in the world needs to try? Drop your favorite iconic dish in the comments below and tell us where we should travel next. Your suggestion might just star in our next video. And if you enjoyed this high-speed tour, don't forget to like this video and subscribe for more culinary adventures. Thanks for joining us. Until next time, stay hungry. This was just a lightning-fast taste of the world's most iconic dishes. But every one of these plates has a deeper story waiting to be told. If you want the full history, the science, and the cultural secrets behind global food, explore our World Food Stories playlist and subscribe to Plates of the Planet. We don't just show food, we uncover its story.